Agile expert and author Mike Cohn said that Agile teams are focused more on the planning than on the plan. The Agile approach is not to create one single document that is called the plan and believe that it will never change. Rather than attempt to create a one-off plan, the focus is on the activity of planning. Agile teams plan on a release, sprint, and daily level. If we have a set of features that we want to batch together into a release, then we do release planning. Release planning answers the question, how many sprints will it take to complete this work? And when will it be ready? Sprint planning answers the question, which user stories will we work on in the next sprint? And what is the plan for delivering this work? Daily planning is when the team give each other an update each day to help them organize themselves. The daily stand-up is a 15-minute daily meeting where each team member shares what they are working on and any blockers or impediments that they might have. In summary, we have seen how Scrum involves planning on a release, sprint, and daily level.